Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to easily connect Microsoft Teams to mobile with QR code. So how to easily connect Microsoft Teams to mobile with QR code? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. To connect Microsoft Teams to mobile feature, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. Go to Mobile Device. This is already in the Mobile Device menu. Here there is a Link Your Phone to Teams menu. And tap on the Link Your Phone. Now here a barcode will appear. Scan this barcode using your cell phone camera. Or using the Microsoft Teams application on your cell phone. And it will automatically connect to your cell phone. So that's it, tutorial how to easily connect Microsoft Teams to mobile with QR code. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.